Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to solve this calculus problem. Given the integral from 0 to s of t times f of t dt equals s squared times f of s. If f of phi equals 12, 15, then what is the value of f of 3? Alright, so we're going to start from here. We're going to take derivative both sides, right? So by the first fundamental theorem of calculus, we have this guy derivative equals s times f of s, right? And the right hand side right here, we need to take the derivative of this one using the chain rule. So it's going to be 2s f of s plus s squared f prime of s, right? Alright, so I'm gonna move this guy to the right, right? So it turns out to be s f of s plus s squared f prime of s equal to 0, right? Because this guy right here, subtract this guy, it could be this guy, right? Now I'm going to divide both sides by s, so it turns out to be f of s plus s times f prime of s equal to 0, right? Now I'm going to take antiderivative both sides, so it's going to be antiderivative of this one equals the antiderivative of this one ds, right? And then this guy turns out to be s f of s, right? This guy turns out to be a constant c, right? So f of s equals c over s, right? Now I'm going to use the information right here. F of phi equals 12, 15, right? To solve for c, so I have 12, 15 equals c over phi, right? So I'm going to multiply both sides by phi. So c equals 12, 15 multiplied by phi. It's going to be 60, 75, right? So the function f of s can be written as 60, 75 divided by s, right? Because I substitute this guy back over here. Now I need to calculate the value of f of 3, right? So f of 3 equals 60, 75 divided by 3. So the answer is 20, 25. Happy New Year, guys. And it's good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.